Welcome to this German learning podcast. Simple German, everyday German. Learn by listening.
Hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn German with Anna and Max. I'm Anna.
And I'm Max. Guten Tag. How are you all doing today?
We're so happy you're here. Today's episode is going to be really practical because we're taking you into the most important room in any home.
That's right. Die Küche, the kitchen.
Perfect for beginners. We'll teach you all the essential words you need to know, from the fridge to the stove and even your cutlery.
And we're using the shadowing technique today. That means you'll listen to us say the words, then repeat them out loud. It's the best way to get your pronunciation just right.
Exactly. So don't be shy. Even if you're listening on the train or at home, whisper along with us. Your brain will thank you.
Before we start, if you're enjoying these episodes, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps us reach more German learners like you.
All right, Max. Are you ready to explore die Küche?
Absolutely. Let's go.
Okay, let's start simple. The word for kitchen in German is die Küche.
Listen carefully. Die Küche. Now you try. Die Küche.
Great job. Let's say it one more time together. Die Küche.
Perfect. Now, when you walk into die Küche, what's the first thing you might say?
You might say, Ich bin in der Küche. I am in the kitchen.
Let's break that down. Ich bin, I am. Repeat. Ich bin.
In der Küche, in the kitchen. Repeat. In der Küche.
Now the whole sentence. Ich bin in der Küche.
Excellent. You're doing so well already.
Now let's look at the big items in your kitchen, the ones you use every single day.
First up, der Kühlschrank, the fridge.
Der Kühlschrank. It's a masculine noun, so we use der. Listen. Der Kühlschrank.
One more time. Der Kühlschrank.
Nice. Now here's a simple sentence. Der Kühlschrank ist kalt. The fridge is cold.
Der Kühlschrank ist kalt. Repeat after me. Der Kühlschrank ist kalt.
Perfect. You're getting the hang of this.
All right. Next, we have something you probably use every day to cook. Der Herd, the stove.
Der Herd, another masculine noun. Say it with me. Der Herd.
Der Herd. One more time. Der Herd.
Fantastic. Now imagine you cooking. You might say, Ich koche auf dem Herd. I'm cooking on the stove.
Let's practice that. Ich koche auf dem Herd. Well done. Kochen means to cook, by the way. Super useful verb.
Now let's talk about another essential appliance. Der Ofen, the oven.
Der Ofen. Listen. Der Ofen. Der Ofen. Try it. Der Ofen.
Awesome. Here's a sentence. Der Ofen ist heiß. The oven is hot.
Repeat. Der Ofen ist heiß.
You're doing great. Let's keep going.
What about when you need to wash your dishes? You need die Spüle, the sink.
Die Spüle. This one is feminine, so we use die. Say it. Die Spüle.
Die Spüle. Again. Die Spüle.
Perfect. A simple sentence. Die Spüle ist sauber. The sink is clean.
Let's repeat that together. Die Spüle ist sauber.
Excellent work, everyone.
Okay, now let's talk about the things you actually eat with, your cutlery.
In German, cutlery is called das Besteck. It's neuter, so we use das.
Das Besteck. Repeat. Das Besteck.
Das Besteck. One more time. Das Besteck.
Nice. But let's get specific. First, the fork, die Gabel.
Die Gabel. It's feminine. Say it with me. Die Gabel.
Die Gabel. Again, die Gabel.
Great. Now, the knife, das Messer.
Das Messer. Neuter. Repeat. Das Messer.
Das Messer. Try it. Das Messer.
Perfect. And of course, the spoon, der Löffel.
Der Löffel, masculine. Listen, der Löffel.
Der Löffel. One more time. Der Löffel.
You are on fire. Now let's put it all together in a sentence. Ich brauche eine Gabel, ein Messer und einen Löffel. I need a fork, a knife, and a spoon.
That's a longer one, but let's break it down. Ich brauche, I need. Repeat. Ich brauche.
Eine Gabel, a fork, ein Messer, a knife, einen Löffel, a spoon.
Now the whole thing. Ich brauche eine Gabel, ein Messer und einen Löffel.
Fantastic. Don't worry if that felt tricky. You'll get faster with practice.
Now let's talk about what you eat from. Der Teller, the plate.
Der Teller, masculine. Say it. Der Teller.
Der Teller. Again, der Teller.
Great. And what about a bowl? Die Schüssel.
Die Schüssel, feminine. Repeat. Die Schüssel.
Die Schüssel. One more. Die Schüssel.
Excellent. And don't forget your drink, the cup, die Tasse.
Die Tasse. Say it. Die Tasse.
Die Tasse. Again, die Tasse.
And for water or juice, you need das Glas, the glass.
Das Glas, neuter. Repeat. Das Glas.
Das Glas. Try it. Das Glas.
You are doing amazing.
All right, let's keep building your kitchen vocabulary. What do you keep food in? Der Schrank, the cupboard.
Der Schrank, masculine. Listen. Der Schrank. Der Schrank. Repeat. Der Schrank.
Perfect. Here's a simple sentence. Das Brot ist im Schrank. The bread is in the cupboard.
Let's say it together. Das Brot ist im Schrank. Great. Now, where do you put your dirty dishes? Die Spülmaschine, the dishwasher.
Die Spülmaschine. Feminine. Say it. Die Spülmaschine.
Die Spülmaschine. Again, die Spülmaschine.
Nice work. Here's a useful sentence. Die Spülmaschine ist voll. The dishwasher is full.
Repeat. Die Spülmaschine ist voll.
Excellent. Now, what about the table you eat at? Der Tisch.
Der Tisch, masculine. Say it. Der Tisch. Der Tisch. One more time. Der Tisch.
Perfect. And you sit on der Stuhl, the chair.
Der Stuhl, also masculine. Repeat. Der Stuhl. Der Stuhl. Again, der Stuhl.
Great job. Simple sentence. Der Stuhl ist bequem. The chair is comfortable.
Let's say it. Der Stuhl ist bequem. You're really building up your vocabulary now.
All right, now let's use everything we've learned today in some real-life sentences. This is where it gets fun.
Imagine it's morning. You walk into die Küche and you're hungry. You might say, Ich bin hungrig, ich gehe in die Küche.
That's I'm hungry, I'm going to the kitchen. Let's practice. Ich bin hungrig, ich gehe in die Küche.
Perfect. Now you open der Kühlschrank. You might say, Ich öffne den Kühlschrank.
I open the fridge. Repeat. Ich öffne den Kühlschrank. Well done. Maybe you want to make breakfast. Ich mache Frühstück. I'm making breakfast.
Say it. Ich mache Frühstück.
Great. You need a plate and a fork. Ich brauche einen Teller und eine Gabel.
Repeat. Ich brauche einen Teller und eine Gabel.
Excellent. Now let's say you're making toast. Ich mache Toast im Ofen.
I'm making toast in the oven. Say it. Ich mache Toast im Ofen.
Nice. After eating, you put your plate in die Spülmaschine. Ich stelle den Teller in die Spülmaschine.
That's a bit longer, but try it. Ich stelle den Teller in die Spülmaschine. You're doing so well. Let's try one more scenario. It's evening and you're cooking dinner.
You might say, Ich koche Abendessen auf dem Herd. I'm cooking dinner on the stove.
Repeat. Ich koche Abendessen auf dem Herd. Perfect. You need a pot. Der Topf.
Der Topf, masculine. Say it. Der Topf.
Der Topf. One more time. Der Topf.
Great. And maybe a pan. Die Pfanne.
Die Pfanne. Feminine. Repeat. Die Pfanne.
Die Pfanne. One more. Die Pfanne.
You're building such a useful vocabulary.
All right, let's do a quick review of everything we've learned today. Are you ready?
Let's start with the room, die Küche, the kitchen.
The fridge, der Kühlschrank.
The stove, der Herd.
The oven, der Ofen.
The sink, die Spüle.
The fork, die Gabel.
The knife, das Messer.
The spoon, der Löffel.
The plate, der Teller.
The bowl, die Schüssel.
The cup, die Tasse.
The glass, das Glas.
The cupboard, der Schrank.
The dishwasher, die Spülmaschine.
The table, der Tisch.
The chair, der Stuhl.
The pot, der Topf.
And the pan, die Pfanne.
Amazing work, everyone! You've just learned so many essential kitchen words.
Wow, what a productive episode. You should be really proud of yourself.
Seriously, you've learned over 15 essential German words today, and you practice pronouncing them with the shadowing technique.
Remember, the key to learning a language is repetition. So listen to this episode again tomorrow or even later today.
And try using these words in real life. Next time you're in your kitchen, say the German words out loud. Der Kühlschrank, der Herd, die Gabel.
It might feel silly at first, but trust us, it works.
Before we go, we have a fun community question for you.
Here it is. What's the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning? Do you go straight to die Küche? Do you make coffee? Toast?
Tell us in the comments. In English is totally fine, but if you want to try in German, even better.
Maybe you can say, Ich mache Kaffee. I make coffee. Or, Ich frühstücke. I eat breakfast.
We'd love to hear from you. And if this episode helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly German lessons.
Next time, we'll explore another room in the house. Any guesses which one?
Until then, keep practicing, stay curious, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn.
Tschüss, everyone. Goodbye.
Bis bald! See you soon!